My name's Ron Kucharski. I'm the owner of Vanatage Advisory. We're a boutique financial advisory business based in Melbourne in Australia. I'm warning you today in this video because I'm concerned about the global financial situation. We're all aware now that October 07, an event called the Global Financial Crisis, the GFC, struck. It caught nearly all investors off guard and nearly all financial advisors behind the eight ball. And for nearly 12 months now, we've been warning the second wave of the financial storm would start from Europe, that the banking system would come under pressure. We've heard of Dubai and Iceland needing to be bailed out, and in recent months of Greece and their debt problems and their chance that the whole country, their sovereign debt default. It's been a devastating 2.5 years to many people. Some that were close to retirement have almost seen their retirement disappear. Their trip around the world on the QE2 sail without them, and the likelihood of a healthy and happy and prosperous retirement almost disappear. So let me share with you what caused the problem, where we are today. It's the 20th of May 2010, and what all investors need to be aware of, because we've been warning for a long time there's more pain to come. Were we fortunate, or were we wise to say in the middle of 07 that something was wrong? I think our research proved to us that the problems weren't just subprime lending. The whole world has been living beyond its means. We've had excessive credit. Most people are using excessive debt, and banks with excessive leverage. Now this all blew up, and the stock markets of the world have tumbled. It's not an American problem, it's a developed world problem. But let me warn you, this is just the tip of the iceberg. $1 trillion offer to solve the problem for the Mediterranean countries, call them Club Med, is again only a band-aid solution. The American government bailed out their insolvent banks March 2009, and what's that done? Very little. We're at 10% unemployment and an economy going nowhere. My biggest fears are this. Soon you'll see Europe in a severe downturn, and that will trigger a panic in stock markets. If that happens, you can be guaranteed America's heading for a double-dip recession. And America, being the biggest economy in the world, will affect everyone else. That will then flow in a domino effect through to Asia, and you'll see Asian stock markets hit very hard. But their problems are very minor, and they'll bounce back and be robust beyond that point. So this is a really, really important phase for all of us now. I wrote to my clients on the 7th of May, and I highlighted the risks ahead. Yes, we warned in 2007 there was pain ahead, and we're warning now the next phase of the financial storm is soon to hit. I hope that you will act upon this as my clients have. So what do you need to do? Is there a solution to the problem, or do you do what you're told and sit and wait and suffer? Well, that's crazy. It's your money, it's your retirement. So the first thing you need to do is to get some proper help, get some advice, and find someone that's objective. Do your analysis, because we believe in the next weeks and months it's vital to cash up your super. Look at your share portfolio and maybe cash up many of those shares that you've done well in the last 12 months. Or any managed funds that are exposed to the stock market downside need to be sold. Cash is king at the moment, and even Warren Buffett says this is a period of wealth preservation. So don't be fooled by the propaganda, and don't be fooled by what you're told by financial advisors that work for banks or life insurance companies. This is a critical time in the world, and the next 6 months will prove that. We've been great at picking cycles. We saw the housing cycle in 95 in Australia. We saw the opportunities to buy in the stock market post-Iraq war, and we were fortunate to get clients out in 2007. And I can guarantee you now, if you don't review your portfolio, you can jeopardise your long-term financial security in your retirement. There are solutions, and remember that all adversity creates enormous opportunity. I hope these ideas will provoke you to find out more, whether it's to come and see Vanatage Advisory or go and see your advisor. I think it's vital to do something now. I encourage you to leave some comments below, or if you'd like some more information, or if you have any investment questions, please go on our website and we'll help you with those.